Hey guys, so today I'm doing a new video and I asked in my last thrift haul if you guys wanted to see like a thrift with me type of video where I take you guys to the thrift store. Usually I go to Goodwill, so this time it was Goodwill, and I shop around with you and I take my camera in there and I look around and I show you guys all the stuff that I'm finding and seeing, whether I buy it or not, and then I will come back here and do a little haul video of all the things that I found. And the reason this has taken me a while to do is because honestly I've taken my camera into Goodwill before to do this video, but then I don't find anything, because like I said in past videos, like there's times where you find a bunch of stuff and there's times where you find nothing. And this was actually one trip to Goodwill, but this was a really good trip where I found a bunch of stuff. I felt like they just like restocked everything because there was so much stuff there. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I ended up finding and also just kind of show you guys the process of thrifting with me. So let's go ahead and just jump into the footage and then I'll show you guys what I got. So I always go to the book section first because it's at the very front of my store that I go to, and I love the biography section. I always go there and look for memoirs. I just love those type of books for whatever reason. I actually saw a book that I've been wanting to read for a while. It's called A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. So I picked that up, but I decided that it was probably best if I stuck with the audio version of that book. It looked really confusing, I'm not gonna lie. And then I also usually check out the young adult section. They don't always have books, but I always notice they have like 100 Twilight books, which is funny. And then I also like the hardback fiction section, sometimes the classic section. I love looking for philosophy. If you guys are wanting to get into reading but you're afraid of it being expensive, check out Goodwill because they pretty much have anything that you could ever want. I think a fall angel just walked by. So I have a heck of a time trying to find cute shorts that are not booty shorts. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and find some high-waisted pants that I could cut into my own shorts. So that was kind of my goal there. And another thing I love looking at is coats. I love looking at secondhand coats. They have a lot of really fun things. Sometimes it's picked over, but I have found a few really great coats in the coat section. So I always check out that, and you can also find good secondhand leather as well. Another thing I like to look at is the black shoes. I love to look at like the booties and things like that. They usually have some really nice booties, and I always try to look for some Doc Martens. I've seen them there a couple of times, but they're never in my size actually. But they have a lot of really nice black boots and stuff, and I also like to look in the brown boots, but I tend to stick to like the booties because there's a lot of junky shoes there, but you can find stuff occasionally. And I was also looking for like a wicker purse, which I didn't find one that was cute, but I wanted like a side satchel wicker purse. Wasn't lucky in that department, but. And then lamps, guys. So home decor at Goodwill is really fun to look through. If you have time and you just want to like kill time, go to Goodwill and look at the home decor because they have a ton of stuff. And I found some amazing lamps. Like I wanted all of these lamps. They were so cute, but I just didn't need them in my house. I also love looking in the glass section because I have a ton of really cute candle holders for when I make my own candles, so that's something I always look for. And I thought these were really cute for like patio candles. I thought that they would be really cute on my back patio. And check out this chest, guys. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, if this was your aesthetic, like I love that. It's just so beautiful. And then of course I always have to go through the kids section. This dress was adorable, just a little too big for her, and I love looking at coats as well for the girls. And yeah, just skimming through that section, and usually that's about it. So as you guys can tell, there was a ton of really good stuff at the thrift store. A lot of the stuff I really wanted to buy, like there was some really cute stuff there, but I had to pass on it because I knew that I didn't need it, and I've been really trying to be careful like buying things that I don't need. Like a couple of those lamps that they had there were so cute. Like they were brand new, like World Market lamps, and I was like, this is so cute, but I have nothing to do with it. So I ended up not buying them, but but I did buy a few things. So you guys saw this in the video, and I actually almost didn't buy these. I almost walked past them, and I was trying to talk myself out of buying these. I couldn't pass them up. Like, they were just too good, you know? And they were these. So these are these little glass jars, and they have these little gold lids. I just think that no matter what, I'm gonna be able to find something to use these for, whether I put like pasta in it. I also have a little vase in the girls' bathroom that I put like bath bombs in, and it's actually like a really crappy vase. It has no bottom, it's just like a tube, like a glass tube, and then you can like fill stuff in there. So I feel like I could use one of these to store their bath bombs in, which will be really, really nice. And I got both actually, because I figured I'd be able to find something to do with them, because they're just so cute. I feel like you would find these at like Target or World Market. I don't know. Next up, I picked up this jean jacket for Elena, and it looks like this. And it is, I think, from Children's Place, and I actually already have a jean jacket for Elena, but she's growing out of it. It's from Walmart. So I really wanted to get her a new one that's a little bit nicer. And plus, jean jackets are really nice to have in the summer and spring because it does get chilly at night and in the mornings. So I wanted to get her a new jean jacket, and this one's really nice. Just plain, there's nothing on it, which is nice. I actually already washed it so she could wear it. But yeah, just a really good basic jean jacket. Like I've said in past videos, jean jackets are always in stock at my Goodwill. I can almost always find a jean jacket if I need one, which is so random, but they always have really, really nice ones there for some reason. So the next thing I picked up was something that I thought would be good for like Instagram. And actually my friend, Tess, hi Tess if you're watching, she bought one of these on Amazon, and she's like, I thought this would be really good for my Instagram because she does like essential oils and she does LuLaRoe and all of that kind of stuff. So she's kind of like a, you know, social media person as well. And she said that she bought one on Amazon, and it came in when I was over at her house the other day. And I was like, that is such a good idea. So that's why I bought this. I would have not bought this if it wasn't for my friend who bought one first. But I was like, that is genius to use for like Instagram posts and stuff like that. It says squad goals right now. Obviously I'm gonna take that out. It comes with these letters here, so I can just put letters in there and put whatever I want. Like let's say I get like, you know, stuff from Urban Decay. I can write Urban Decay or something like that, or I can do like favorites and put it like behind me like that, or whatever I'm doing, you know, whatever video I'm doing, or books. I could put anything in here. And then it also has like a little on switch, which it doesn't turn on because there's no batteries in it, but how cute is this? So, got that, and this was only $3.99. Thank you, Tess, for the inspiration. You were my inspiration for this. Now, you guys saw that I was looking at jeans, and I found a pair of jeans. They were Calvin Klein, and they were really cute. And here's the thing, you guys. I love just plain denim shorts. Like, I wear them pretty much every day in the summer. But the thing is I can never find good denim shorts that aren't like $60, and I'm not about to buy a pair of shorts for $60. That's just not my cup of tea. And one thing that I hate with a passion is that every pair of shorts that you find in a store is like either way, way, way too short, like your butt is literally hanging out of the back, and I do not want my butt hanging out of the back of my shorts. Like, I'm 32 years old, I don't need booty shorts. But I still want them to be cute. I want them to be kind of high on the sides, but I don't want the crotch to be like this wide. And I'm like, I'm just gonna go to the thrift store and try to find some jeans that are cute and then just cut them into the style that I want, so I can make the back longer so my butt's not hanging out, and I can make them as long as I want in the crotch area. I can make them as high as I want on the sides. So that's what I did. I found a cute pair of Calvin Klein ones, and I cut them off into cutoffs, which I think will be really cute with like a cropped shirt, a belt, and maybe just like a kimono or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, they ended up turning out really cute. And the thing about buying like pants and then cutting them off is you never know exactly how they're gonna turn out. You kind of just have to like go for it and hope for the best, and you get better and better as you do it. It's one of those types of things. So if you guys want to see a video on how to do like high-waisted shorts, maybe I can do it for you guys, but there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do cut-off shorts. Next up is 2 books, and I got The Strange and Beautiful Sorrow of Ava Lavender. This book has such good reviews. I've been wanting to read this book for so long, so when I saw this there, I was like, oh my gosh, like I've heard such good things about this book. So I was really, really excited to read it. It's in really good condition. So this has been on my Goodreads TBR for a really, really long time, and when you find a book at Goodwill that you know is on your TBR, it's such a rewarding experience because you're like, yes! Because a lot of times, like, this book would be like 17 bucks probably at Barnes & Noble. Like, they're not cheap. And this is only $3.99, so it's such a score when you find a book that you know you've been wanting to read. So, and this is in amazing condition. It doesn't even look like it's been read. So, I mean, that's awesome when that happens. So sometimes when I want to read a new book or I'm trying to discover new books or whatever, I will go on YouTube and I'll type in like best books I've ever read or my favorite books of all time or just anything like of that nature, just to see like what people's all-time favorite books are. And I came across one girl, I have no idea who she is. I literally don't even remember her name or anything like that, but this book was like her #1 favorite book of all time. Like it's her favorite book. She says she's read it over and over and over again. So it is called The Sky is Everywhere by Jandy Nelson. And this book, I have no idea really what it's about, but the only reason I picked it up is because she said that it was her all-time favorite book. And so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go for it. Apparently it's about like this girl who deals with the devastating loss of her sister, and then she ends up like meeting a guy or something like that, and he kind of helps her through her like sadness and sorrow and grief. I don't know. It just seems like a simple storyline, but you never know with books that sound simple. Like a lot of times there might be like a twist or something that you're not expecting. So I'm really interested to see what this book is about since she said it was so good, like her favorite book of all time. So really happy with my book finds. I'm so excited about these. So that is it, guys. I know it wasn't a ton of stuff, but I feel like it was worth sharing and doing like a thrift with me video, because I feel like part of this video isn't just showing you guys what I got, but also the thrifting part of it, so you guys can watch that footage as well. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a voiceover on that part or not. I don't know, but let me know if you guys like this video or if you guys like this thrift with me style video. It was kind of fun to do, I'm not gonna lie, when I was there. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of it, and I think that's it, guys. So I will talk to you soon. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.